Sup guys, Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. It's kind of different. We're actually going to be going to uh, off-road event at new store opening, and I totally forgot to do an intro of driving up here. So here's a bunch of the rigs that were there. I did not even get close to all of them, but they were all so beautiful, especially this white 4Runner. I love this 5th gen 4Runner. It's so beautiful. I love how the powder coat is all matched with it. Oh man, it's just phenomenal. And here's my truck sitting next to him. It just makes my truck look small, and it's not really that small. But I'm on a compact, and these are mid-sized trucks, so it's a little different. And then we gotta have the guy that has the Jeep. All right, and then this is actually in the store. I'm like gonna do 2 times speed, so it's going quicker. And they got a lot of camping gear, a lot of overlanding gear. Like heck, on this old Jeep right here. A lot of different brands, a lot of good company brands. They have also brands that are known in Utah, that are Utah based, like this 23-0. And then there's an overhead tent, some front bumpers. There's just so much stuff. Sliders, pretty much everything you need. They got it, and they got it in stock. It was great. And at the time of this filming, which is like 4 months ago, unfortunately, from when I'm uploading it, which is on the 6th of October, they had at that time, they were struggling to get max tracks and those traction boards. This place had tons of them. But they got all battery supplies, your lights, water jugs, gas jugs, your freezers that for inside your vehicles. Nice area to chill out and hang out, watch some TV or whatever. There's the Expedition Superstore. Good containers right there to hold your stuff, keep it dry if you're going mudding off road, or if it's just rainy and stormy. Tons of stuff, but not crowded. It was very cleanly done. And look at this freaking 3rd gen 4Runner. And not 3rd gen, 2nd gen Tacoma that's just chilling in there. It's the company's. Got all sorts of the bed rack on it. It's got the side covers. It's all set up for overlanding. I'd love to be able to have this. Oh, it's not 2nd gen. It's a 3rd gen. My bad. Noob. Taillights look really similar between the 2nd gen and 3rd gen. Here's all the traction boards. I've thought about getting the little ones and maybe the big ones. Got to figure out what I want to do. I don't like getting stuck. Here's their little front desk area. They had people there. I just when I filmed, they didn't have people there. Wow, you got a huge space back here. With a clean bumper. So what are you doing to the TRX?
The TRX, we just put a Retrax cover on. It's got this solid aluminum rails on the side, so you can put a bed rack on top.
Oh, that's cool.
If we're gonna do a Yakima HD rack system or up top overland Retrax compatible. Yeah, and then normal overland build, rack tent. Nobody's really done it with a T-Rex yet, so.
Yeah, I have not seen everyone just racing them around.
Yep. This is the bus. This is the
I think
store.
It's ready to go. Move bumpers. I thought about getting one of those.
Yeah, there's one on the front as well.
I thought about it, but then the little bull bar is 2-inch that they include with the one that I liked.
Okay.
And I was like, I don't want a 2-inch. I want 1 3/4. So my sliders I want to get are 1 3/4.
Yeah.
What have you done to the inside? Just strip for now?
Stripped. It is a 4-wheel drive conversion.
Yeah. So, what is it? Any plans for the interior? You gonna make it
right now
overland? You gonna make it more bus?
eventually we'll do kind of a build out on the inside.
Yeah.
We're gonna do some suspension work to it, but
Hey, she's tall and she's got big tires.
yep.
So.
Yep. And stuff. This is
Got your rack to
this
work
is the
on things.
Baja bug. You can see the foxes. Got the reservoirs coming out. Fully caged, full stripped interior, ready to go.
Around time pretty dang good on if someone's installing parts right now.
Yeah, it's not bad. There are some companies that it's a pain to get stuff through.
It's more just getting the parts, but as soon as the part's in, they can come drop off their vehicle and it's gonna be done.
Yeah, we actually have Falcon shocks from Terraflex in stock right now.
Yeah, and they're local.
They are.
So Falcon.
We have fridges in stock right now. A bunch of racks for second and third gen Tacomas.
All right, guys. Hopefully the wind's not super bad, but we just finished up at Expedition Superstore. It's freaking awesome people there. Lots and lots of information about Tacomas, 4Runners, even Jeeps. This guy got his Jeep that I was talking to for most of it about parts. He just had a third gen 4Runner and he just sold it to get this this Jeep, and he went with the diesel in it, the eco diesel. He's loving it. Super good gas mileage. But yeah, super good information. I'm gonna have to try out some things with my truck. Hopefully you enjoyed all the views. There is tons of space in the back. They have tons of inventory. They do install parts. Their turnaround time is really good, especially if they have the part in stock. They can get it done really fast for you guys. So yeah, definitely hit them up here in Utah. They're over in West Valley, so in the Salt Lake area. Hit them up. They're super informational about everything. Have you seen from the very beginning? They had a ton more rigs out here, and I didn't even get all of them because there was more rigs that showed up and then left and everything. But yeah, I stayed up for most of the event. So thanks guys for the awesome event. It was freaking cool to meet a bunch of people. They do meetups every second week of the month, so hit them up, guys. I hopefully enjoyed today's video though about a slight truck meet and a new store that's coming out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passion.